Hello, greetings from Boonri. Today's topic is about travel and tourism. Where? Maldives. What's so beautiful about Maldives? Let's go and enjoy the tour. Where is Maldives located? It is situated in South Asia, below India and Sri Lanka. What makes this country so unique? Maldives consists of many tiny islands, the number of which is more than 1,000. But are all these islands inhabited with people? No. From among all those islands, only a few of them, around 200 islands, are actually inhabited. Unique, isn't it? Maldives is also unique in another sense, and that is, it is recorded as the flattest country in the world. For example, India has diverse areas which are much above the sea level. But Maldives isn't such. Why? That's because Maldives has a very small elevation above sea level. And how much is that? It has a maximum elevation above sea level of only 2.4 meters, and that's it. What's the capital of Maldives? It is Malé. Do you know why is Maldives famous? It is a very small country but is still so famous around the world. Last year in 2020, Maldives grabbed the title for being the world's leading destination. This title was conferred upon Maldives by the World Travel Awards. What makes so many tourists flock around to visit Maldives? What's the reason behind it? Let's find out. What are some famous highlights of Maldives? The Maldives are known for their natural environment, including the blue ocean, crystalline waters, white sands, the swaying palm trees, and the fresh, clean air. Maldives is blessed with beautiful coral reefs which are home to over 1,000 species of fishes. Maldives also has bioluminescent beaches where the oceans turn into a field of glowing stars, a beautiful sight to watch. It is located in the Vadu Island. When is the best time to visit and watch this? The months ranging from June to October offer the best chances for viewing the Sea of Stars. Months before or after it won't provide the spectacular view. Maldives also has many underwater restaurants where you can enjoy good meals with an astounding view of exotic marine creatures above you. Many tourists also rush to Maldives as they feel that this country is one of the safest destinations in the world because you don't have to be in fear of burglary, as Maldives is a small island and that makes it easy to manage by the cops in a small zone. Hence, tourists feel safer to travel here. If you want to visit there, where to stay, what to do there, then watch ahead. Many people think that Maldives is not in their budget. But no, in reality you can even book affordable cheap hotels there. The room price ranges from somewhere between 2,000 per night to expensive prices more than 1 lakh per night too. You can just match it with your own budget and choose the option that appeals to you. There might be a possibility that you land in the capital, but your hotel booking is for a different island. Nothing to fret. If you contact your hotel in advance, they can guide you of the different alternatives available to reach the island, maybe through a boat or a seaplane. You can make your own choice. What activities can you do there? You can enjoy water sports. For example, scuba diving or underwater walking, flyboarding, kayaking, etc. If at all, you're not the ones who like outdoor activities and you just want to stay at your hotel, you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the peaceful place while watching the sunset. So many activities to choose from for your leisure. What can you eat in Maldives? It is obviously famous for its seafood. For example, crabs, fishes, jellyfishes, shellfish, and a lot more. One of the most famous dishes there is called the gulha. This has an inside filling made of tuna fish along with coconut and onion. Delicious. But hey, no worries, they also have vegetarian dishes. So you see, so many beautiful things to see and do in Maldives. If you want to try, you can surely visit there.